up, guys? Going past Niagara Falls. Woo woo! Niagara Falls. We're going so slow. We slow down so much for that. Getting back up, accelerating here. Oh, we're getting past at all angles. Alright, make sure you guys are donating during the middle of this video. Welcome back, Seafood Reviewers. We're going over the Golden Gate Bridge currently. Going over the ocean here. Over on the Golden Gate Bridge. We got Mount Everest over there. Got a lot of sightseeing to see here over on the Golden Gate Bridge. It just looks like the Golden Gate Bridge just ended. So make sure you donate. Welcome back, Seafood Reviewers. We're entering Georgia. Welcome to Georgia. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Back in Tennessee now. Going backwards into Tennessee. Back in Georgia in probably about 5 minutes. Make sure you donate. Welcome back, Seafood Reviewers. Here we are getting back into Georgia. It was a long trip so far, and we're in Georgia just for the second time now. Welcome to Georgia. Brian Kemp, the governor. Big fan of Brian Kemp. Love that guy. He's a big supporter of the channel. He donates like every day, so you guys should do what he does and donate with him. And we're stuck in traffic now. We're gonna be stuck in here for like 2 hours probably. We're in Tennessee still. We're gonna go back to Georgia in a minute after we get out of this traffic. I have reports telling me it lasts for 5 miles. So while we're sitting in this traffic though, you can be donating. Like, who wants to watch us sit in traffic when you can just like go to our PayPal and Patreon and GoFundMe and just donate to us, you know? Save some gas money while we're just sitting in this traffic, you know. So make sure you donate. Hey, Seafood Reviewers, we're here in Atlanta. I'm in the back seat now, and we got some good views.
Trey Young's in the car.
Trey Young is here. We got an interview with Trey Young. He's right there. Trey Young. Trey Young. Oh, Julio Jones is in the back seat too. All right, we're in some traffic. Some stupid head crashed his car. Okay, Jason. Great views all around the city here. How do you feel about this trip so far?
It's pretty good.
Okay, thanks. And make sure to donate. There's a torch. Big building. So how do you feel so far about Atlanta?
It's really nice downtown. I've been here before. I just saw Trey Young.